let's take a look at why the Winnebago Travato is better than the Hymer Aktiv. Our first reason why the Travato is better than the Hymer Aktiv is the floor plan selections in the Travato. Winnebago gives you choices to customize the perfect Travato for your needs. The Travato is available in two floor plans: the 59G floor plan, which is an extremely flexible floor plan with a front dinette area, large rear corner bed that folds up to make room for bikes or other large items, and a corner bath. The Travato 59K floor plan is a very open floor plan for a B-van. It boasts two twin beds that also function as a seating area and configure into cross-coach sleeping, a spacious rear bath/shower area, and cab seats that swivel to become an integral part of the living space. The Hymer Aktiv only has one floor plan option that forces you to use the rear of the coach as only storage or sleeping. Our second reason is the Travato's solar power system. Solar power is a hot topic in the RV community and especially in the camper van and van life community. Winnebago did not ignore this demand in the Travato. The Travato now has two 100-watt roof solar panels with a junction box and plugs for additional panels standard. The Aktiv does not have solar standard. It is an additional $3,000 for solar. Our third reason the Travato is better than the Hymer Aktiv is the flexible sleeping options in the 59K and 59G floor plans. The 59K has two twin beds in the rear of the coach that can be used as separate sleeping spots or can switch into cross-coach sleeping space that measures 54 inches by 76 inches. The 59G floor plan has a queen-size corner bed that folds up for storage and a flex bed system in the front of the coach. The 59G's flex bed system utilizes the dinette and bench seat to create sturdy, cross-coach sleeping area measuring at 42 inches by 72 inches. Flexible sleeping options aren't the only reason why the Travato is better than the Aktiv when it comes to sleeping. Our fourth reason is the Travato's Deluxe Froli sleep system. The innovative Froli system is comprised of individual, lightweight, adjustable springs adhered to the bed frame that provide users with an unparalleled comfort and increased airflow underneath of their mattress. The Froli sleep system springs flex and adapt to your body shape, weight, and movements. Our fifth reason why the Travato is better than the Hymer Aktiv is the Travato's premium interior materials. The Travato comes standard with solid surface, fully reinforced Corian countertops. Corian countertops are extremely durable and will survive the daily wear and tear of RVing. Corian has a non-porous surface that prevents dirt and stains from penetrating the material, therefore cleaning is a breeze. Underneath the Corian countertops are the lightweight Techniform cabinetry. These beautiful curved cabinet doors will hold up to the most extreme humidity and temperature conditions without warping, cracking, or peeling. The Aktiv uses cheaper doors that were not designed to meet the same stringent standards used in the Travato. The Travato has Ultra Leather from Ultra Fabrics in the 59G floor plan. Ultra Leather gives you softness, comfort, and luxury that is more durable than leather and extremely easy to clean. Ultra Leather has been tested and proven to surpass competitive fabrics for integrity and durability. Our sixth reason why the Travato is better than the Aktiv is the Travato's exterior features and options that complement your hobbies. For the outdoor lover, the Travato comes with an armless, powered patio awning with LED lights, an exterior speaker system, and an optional bike rack and luggage rack with movable ladder. After a long, adventurous day outside, you can wash your gear off with the exterior wash station with hot and cold water. Our seventh reason why the Travato is better than the Aktiv, or should I say cooler, is the Travato's 13,500 BTU high-efficiency roof air conditioner. The Aktiv only has an 11,000 BTU air conditioner. The Travato also comes with a powered ventilator fan in the galley and a powered roof vent in the bathroom to keep air circulating and keep the inside of your Travato comfortable. The Hymer only has one ventilator fan in the entire coach. Our final reason why the Travato is better than the Aktiv is Winnebago's superior construction. In Winnebago's 60 years of building RVs, they have pioneered several construction standards that are now an industry standard. Winnebago was the first RV company in the U.S. to manufacture compact RVs and camper vans. Why buy an RV from any other manufacturer? That wraps up our 8 reasons why we think the Winnebago Travato is better than the Hymer Aktiv. Check out our entire Travato inventory and see more videos like this one at LichtsInRV.com.